this is Megan, and this is a commercial for mice food. You should get mice. You should get mice food if you have mice. Okay. So this is the mice food, and it's very nutritious, and it's pink, and girls like the pink kind, but boys, they like the blue kind. Okay, and sometimes mice, they like to get attacked by bats, or dogs, or lions, or dogs, or dragons, or dragons.
Mice don't like to get attacked.
Or cows, or dogs, or snakes, or deer, or monkeys.
We'll be right back.